Hi, folks. Jeff here at the Colorado Summit, and one of the sponsors out here is Advanced Auto, and they have the program called TechNet. So John is actually on that program. So John, tell us about this, and who is this that we're talking to today?
Hey, this is Kyle. He's an outside sales rep with CarQuest up here. Advanced Auto Parts. The TechNet program, Kyle knows all about it, the ins and outs. But I'll tell you what I know. I know it comes with a 2-year, 24,000-mile free warranty. Also, it comes with a road hazard warranty, too, and a 1-800 number to call in case you run out of gas, lock your keys out of the car. Simple things like that, Kyle. What else do you know about it?
Yeah, we just added a lot of elements. It's a program built for members by members. One of the additions based on member feedback, such as yourself, John.
Yep.
We put in a travel interruption reimbursement.
Yes.
So any motorist that has qualified repairs performed at John's shop and the 12,000 others across the country, they're 100 miles or more from the repairing facility. They're eligible for reimbursement up to $250 for room, food, in the event that a failed part occurs, that they need to be overnight at a hotel or somewhere.
That's an awesome program.
That's a pretty good warranty on that.
Yeah.
And it's like not just the part, but now we're taking care of the customer. Oh my gosh. So you guys are out here. You got like all kinds of giveaways and displays. And so tell us how important it is to be a sponsor of ASA and why y'all come to events like this.
Yeah, so it's important for the industry, right? We sell parts to installers to complete repairs for motorists, but at the end of the day, we're only as good as the training that we provide. And to us, being part of a program that will elevate those technicians and those owners and managers inside of repair facilities, what's the key to the kingdom to be better in this automotive industry and lift it up with us rather than work in silos and be segregated from each other. Let's come together, let's train, let's make a difference together. How we move forward is together.
And I like that.
I like it. He's got a good message, don't he?
Talking
Yeah.
about the industry, and that's what we're all about, is trying to make the industry better. So that's just a great program. So y'all have parts and training, and I guess y'all have the tools and equipment.
They have the tools. They have huge amount of tools and equipment. They have a lot of it inside their store and a bunch of it in their mega hubs. Cool program. I've seen a lot of that stuff in the Carrollton warehouse in Texas. A lot of that stuff is just right there. Animated, their system is so cool that the animation they got with the robots and stuff, packing the boxes and sending it down the line, that's cool. You know, I'm happy to be here at the summit. Kyle, I'm happy to meet you today. This is awesome.
Oh, that's just great. So we appreciate so much y'all sponsorship with ASA and so much that you coming out and supporting the industry. And I really like their story. So as always, I appreciate y'all watching.
Thank you.